Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Disney layout for you for the Kellybell Designs creative team. I'm working with a Buzz Lightyear themed kit, a digital kit named Galaxy Defender. And this is a hybrid scrapbook layout, a 12 by 12 layout. I have already printed and cut my photos here. There are 2 photos in this layout. They're sized about 3.5 inches tall, a bit more than 4 inches wide. I've printed out, this is a word art title in the collection. I've added a white stroke around it, so if it looks different to you than what is in the kit itself, that is why. This is my background that I created in Photoshop and printed and cut on my wide format printer. And so I've layered 5 pattern papers and then added the arrows around the pattern papers. I've added the circle frames, the glitter universes there, and the Buzz Lightyear signature. Those are all elements within the collection. And then, as always, my plate of embellishments and my journal card here. The embellishments have been printed and cut using the Silhouette Cameo 4. And so let's jump into the process here. The layout design centers on top of the purple pattern paper on the background. And so you can see where the round frames already create home bases next to each of the photos. So they're offset. And then the uniting element here is the ribbon and the title on top of it. And so ribbon is one of these things that you can either print them out via hybrid or via digital collections, or use textural ribbons themselves. Textural ribbons tend to take up a lot of space in your studio. They tend to add bulk to your layouts. And so it's nice to have printable options that don't add the bulk and that just share a little hard drive space. So I'm going to place those ribbons here in between the photos. I'm kind of tucking those photos underneath the ribbons. These are an intentionally contrasting element. So the background, as you can see, is the blue and white dots. I love that. That sets the tone for a blue layout. But the purple adds a shot of purple to the layout, and in contrast kind of to the blue, even though they're next to each other on the color wheel. And then there's the border around it with all the colors in the collection. So infusing colors here, even though blue and purple are probably the main colors on this layout, as you can see. So the title here, my favorite thing to do with these titles in word art is to pop them up and build the layers and dimension off of the background. And so we've got layers or dimension already going on the background, right? With the pattern papers, with the circle frames, and the arrows that are going around the pattern papers. Those have a drop shadow, so they visually look a little bit raised off the page. And now we're actually popping up into the third dimension here, both visually and physically. So, one thing I wanted to do here was place the journal card. This is one of the cards in the collection. It's originally a 3x4 size. I've sized it down just a bit. I totally glued it down in the wrong place. It looked a little crooked there. So I just pulled that right back up. Nobody's going to see that little tear on the background. So, let go of your grandma sweater. Let go of your pearls. It's okay. Everything worked out. Whew. Sometimes even the best of us have to rip something up and put it back down or reprint it. I've certainly done that a bit. It's all okay in the end. What I wanted to do with Buzz Lightyear's aircraft here, was sort of have the wings coming out, not necessarily flat on the page, not necessarily flat lifted up. So I put the foam tape on the outer edges of the wingspan and put flat adhesive tape on the body of the aircraft. And so that way it's flat in the middle and then the wings lift up a little bit. Again, just playing with dimension, playing a little bit with depth here, playing with foam tape. Back to this title, I printed 2 little word strips to go to the left of the Space Ranger title and another one underneath on the right. Again, repeating the purple and the blue here. The green, it turned out that the way that I printed and selected my embellishments, the green becomes kind of a secondary or tertiary, is it tertiary? Third level color. And that's totally okay. All of these colors are easily relatable with Buzz Lightyear, with the Space Ranger spin ride. I love it. We love this ride so much. And all of the kids were so excited to ride this one. I'm definitely so excited to be able to document this and also to have this collection to use, because you do have the option of choosing what color you want to highlight on this layout, or the way that I really did it with this layout is just put what you like on the page and then see what evolves as you put it together. And I definitely see the blue and the purple with the pops of green and red. And you know you're safe. You know they're all going to coordinate together because they're all from the same collection. And digital collections make that so easy for you. One of the things that I wanted to do as well was just continue incorporating these awesome colors with the use of the little stars here. And so I'm just adding those seemingly kind of random, but you can see they're going next to the plane or the aircraft, spacecraft wings. The corners here in the corner by the title, by the word art, in the corner underneath the word art to kind of highlight that photo and make it more a part of the layout. So it's actually, got something layered on top of it. And with that, the layout is completed. So I'm going to just show you a little close up here, let you see it closer up, and also share some still photos with you. Of course, I will have links down below for the Kellybell Designs Galaxy Defender collection. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here and following along with my creative journey. As always, I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.